everyone. Today we're playing Yes or No. Roblox answers. So let's play. Did I click support or did I click play? Click for him. Oh, that was kind of scary. Wait, the volume's dead up, so Oh, I didn't hear it. I've been in good state. Well, yes, my Roblox character is. Are you them? Yes, in Roblox. Yeah, this is Rebecca. I don't know what the weather is, but we're going to say yeah. I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah, I guess. Hello? I see something, but I don't know what. Nah. Do you need a person behind you? No, because I didn't see anyone. Fuck. Oh, thank you for some light. Why is there a clock? Wait, at the time? Then where's the time in the computer? Ross, too dark. Oh, you mean him? I always said it was long. Oh. Easy. Yes, he wouldn't do because I actually have died in Roblox. Oh, we like you think? Ding the lights up, please. There's like a monster. Oh, it was. Where is it? When I get off the game, it's close. Yes. No. Oh, it's getting clear. I'm not kidding. I don't know. Is he gonna move? Oh, we can't just stuck. Wait, where am I stuck in this motion? Oh, that didn't really scare me since it wasn't in the front of my sporting. Where I can't move my screen, so I'm stuck like this. I can see it, but I'm stuck. Oh, thank you. Dynastic Studio Project. Yes, sorry name. Ooh, don't forget the game I'm going to. Right. Okay. And I said, don't forget. Deal, I won't.